Okay, so I'm sure that most of you realize that you can make videos on, make graphics on Canva, but did you realize that there's so many other things you can do in Canva? Some of you may not know about Canva at all. Canva is a free site, canva.com. They have a free account that you can use. You can do all your design work, all your templates you'll find in here for social media, etc. All sorts of different templates available in here for you to create the images or graphics with the message that you want on all sorts of different subjects and topics, business, etc. Social media, whatever. Okay, so did you know though that on here that you can create Instagram stories? So if you're looking for templates for Instagram stories, etc., you can find all sorts of different templates that are already created that you can use. The ones that have a crown here, these are for pro accounts, so you need to have a pro Canva account. I know it's fairly expensive, I believe about $149 a month, but they will give you a free 30-day trial. So you may want to check that out and mess around with it. But this is a great site if you're not using it in your business to make money online. There's all sorts of stuff you can do in here, and it's pretty straightforward. Drag and drop, select the font style, etc., whatever you want, okay? But you can create videos in here as well, which is pretty interesting. Because with social media being the way it is now, a lot of people are looking for those vertical style videos. So you can go to videos, you can see all the other stuff here that are listed as well that you can play around with. It's really a great tool. But I want to create a mobile video or like an Instagram reel. So I am going to select this. I actually want to look at some templates. So there's templates over here at the side. I'm going to select that. And then let's say I want to put a cool little quote in here or a little message in here, etc. And I want to upload it as an Instagram reel. And then I'll be able to do that once I'm done. So what I would do next is I would go to text. You can pick a font style that you want. There's all sorts of font styles here if you want to use anything that's here. Or you can just you can come in here and use one of these headings or whatever. I'm just going to put something like that. Some little inspirational message in there. This isn't the nicest font style, but you can come in here and you can pick from a better font style if you want. Whatever it is that you think you'd like to change it to. You can find something that looks a little more appealing. Basically, you just go through until you find something that you like. I'm not going to get too particular for this video. Fail some more, and fail again until you win. So I could do that. I could change the size of the font of the font inside the box. I could leave it like that. It's a little bit difficult to read, but I'm not too worried about it. This is just for the sake of the video. I can come in here and select the font color that I want. Pick black, you can pick red, whatever colors you want. You can even make your own colors by dragging in here, moving it around. I think I'm going to go with that's good enough for what I want. If I want to add an effect to it, like a shadow behind it, make it pop out a little more, I could do this. I could put a outline around it, or I could put a shadow behind it. I'm going to pick this though, and I'm going to change the color of the outline. Make it nice size. Put it up higher. I'm going to select another bit of text here. Actually, I don't really want that. It's a website address. Actually, I don't want that, so I'm going to select it and remove it. Trash can. I'm going to go to this one. I'm just going to put a website address in there. And I'm going to save this as a reel to post on to Instagram later. We know it's only 10 seconds long. You could grab another template if you wanted to, and you could click here and add it to this, so that just like on Instagram, it'll go from one to the next to the next. And you could put a whole bunch of different templates together and upload those online, and you could put your message in there or whatever it is that you want to tell people about, driving people back to your profile link in your Instagram profile, or whatever platform you're on. You can put a link to an affiliate product or whatever inside of that bio area where you can place your link, or that link area depending on the platform. And yeah, tag it and see what type of views you get on it. And when you have to do something like this, if you're directing people back to a website here even, it kind of helps too. So I just thought I'd do a quick little video on some of the options that you can do using a tool like Canva. So if you're doing online marketing, affiliate marketing, social media management, or your own social media, etc., you know, these are different really cool tools that you can use to help you out. And when you're done with your project, you can click share. You could link to these. I don't have my account set up to link to these accounts, but I could link to my Instagram and share it right on Instagram. I'm just going to download it right now. So I hit download. As you can see, it's saved as an MP4 video. It's 10 seconds long. The quality here, you can't adjust anything here because this is for a pro account, but you just hit download and it's going to start downloading to your computer. Once it's on your computer, you can then send it to your Instagram account or wherever it is that you're uploading that particular project.